Hello viewers, I am Ram Kamal with you. Uh, Today I want to talk about the uh, problems which are being faced in the schools while transferring the knowledge to kids uh, by the teachers and by the students also. We will go for certain perspective, natural, and about the scenario of collective learning uh, and uh, how to tackle these. What are the strategies to be adapted in the school environment? Here, I want to mention that uh, uh, we will be thinking about kids particularly, and if we go to micro level, we see we can observe these problems in society also. We'll go one concept, that is symbol, and how the symbols are interpreted by our children in classroom, and how that interpretations can be changed by teachers. What are the durations uh, mm, in classroom spent by the children, and how far a teacher can reconstruct those constructed ideas existing in children's mind. That's a big question, and it's a type of complex. How it is complex? Because the children see what one sees in one's environment is not specialized. It is not in form of mathematics. It is not in form of environmental science. It is not in form of physical sciences, like this. So, vital fact is this, that uh, what we observe with the help of our senses, that method is not being used in our schools in natural way. That is why today we are thinking about the integrated learning, interdisciplinary learning, all subjects at one place, so that there will be no confusion. This is the problem, one of the biggest problem of our children. And if we go to micro level, we find in all studies that there is confusion. Then there is a problem of correlation of all variables which are left somewhere, and real problem is not detected. What I wanted to say, that at lower level our kids must be feeded in natural way, integrated way, so that the symbols what they carry from uh, carry from some place must be understood at both the level properly. That's a big problem. A child comes from his home, uh, studies in schools, goes back again, uh, again construction and reconstruction problem. One way we can say that it's a literacy problem, understanding problem, a difference in human being psychologically. What is the real strategy for that? That we have to think over. Real strategy is natural way. That's what being emphasized everywhere. That the way a child learns must be encouraged. The way a child uh, feels negativity must be reconstructed. This is the way uh, to uh, uh, encourage the children and transfer the knowledge smoothly. What we have discussed today, that just I want to uh, say in some sentences that this word is complex. There are studies undergoing everywhere that there is interdisciplinary problem at all level, from child to adult. So that must be considered, and construction and reconstruction must be realized in our school so that children can develop naturally. Thank you for being with me. Thank you very much.